Today we're showing you a 2023 John Deere 5090M tractor, four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 540M quick attach front end loader. Tractor has rated about 55 hours, so it's practically a new machine. It does have the Power8 power shift transmission, so what that translates to is 4 ranges and an 8-speed power shift within each range. So very, very nice transmission. Push button shift there again with that Power8 transmission. And again, it does have the 540M loader, does have the global style quick attach for your bucket carrier. 7-foot bucket up front here the way it looks. It does have the grill guard on it. Paint's in excellent shape, obviously. Practically a new machine. Still has the hips on the tires. Has the single point connector here for your loader hose connections. Steps and doors on both sides. Has the mirrors on both sides of the cab. Work lights all the way around it there. It's got the heavier duty 3-point extendable links. Stabilizer bars on both sides. Drawbar and top link are both with the machine. Dual remotes. Has the button back here to raise and lower your 3-point arms. It's a very nice tractor. Inside the cab, still looks and smells new in here. Has the buddy seat here on the side, air ride seat for the operator, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Has the left-hand power reverser here, which allows you to change direction without clutching. And again, it does have the Power8 transmission. 4 ranges on this lever, and then an 8-speed power shift within each range. You can shift the power shift with the buttons right here on the range lever. You can shift the power shift with the buttons on the joystick lever or on the toggle here on the side. So pretty much wherever your hand is resting, you can shift the transmission. Very nice transmission. Climate controls up top, rear view mirror, and again, looks, smells new inside. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Check the listing for the exact dates. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at massedtractor.com.